Hello, it's nice to greet you. 9 hidden signs of silent pain in dogs that most owners overlook. Did you know that dogs can feel intense pain without crying, whining, or showing obvious lameness? Unlike people, they have an instinct to hide pain, which is why many illnesses go unnoticed until they are quite advanced. That's why it's so important to recognize the subtle signs that can indicate something is wrong. In this video, you'll discover the silent signs of pain that many owners overlook and learn when it's time to take your dog to the vet. Let's begin. 1. Sleeps much more than usual. All dogs enjoy sleeping, but if you notice that your dog is spending more time lying down, has difficulty getting up, or no longer wants to participate in activities they previously enjoyed, they might be trying to relieve some pain. A sudden change in their sleeping habits should never be ignored. 2. Avoids climbing stairs or jumping. If your dog used to jump onto the sofa or into the car without a problem and now hesitates, needs a boost, or simply avoids it altogether, they could be experiencing discomfort in their joints, back, or muscles. Many owners believe it's just a matter of age, but it can also be an early sign of an injury. 3. Their gait changes. Pain doesn't always cause an obvious limp. Some dogs walk more slowly, take shorter steps, or distribute their weight differently. These changes are often so subtle that only those who observe their pet every day notice them. 4. Their behavior changes. A dog in pain may become more irritable, less affectionate, or prefer to be alone. They may also avoid being petted in a specific area or show discomfort when handled. Before assuming their personality has changed, consider that they might be trying to protect a part of their body. 5. They pant for no apparent reason. Panting is normal after exercise or in hot weather. However, if it appears while resting, in a cool environment, and without having done any physical activity, it could be a response to pain or an illness that needs attention. 6. Eats less or loses appetite. Pain can cause a dog to stop eating. In some cases, they approach the food bowl, sniff the food, and then walk away. Dental problems, digestive discomfort, or internal illnesses can cause this behavior, so it shouldn't be considered normal. 7. Always licks the same spot. If your dog constantly licks a paw, a joint, or any other part of their body, they may be trying to relieve discomfort. Even if there's no visible wound, this behavior can indicate inflammation, muscle pain, or even internal problems. 8. Changes their posture when resting. Dogs in pain often take longer to lie down, frequently change position, or remain rigid when standing. They may even slightly arch their back or keep their head down to feel more comfortable. 9. No longer wants to play or go for walks. One of the most frequent signs of silent pain is a loss of enthusiasm. If your dog no longer runs when you pick up the leash, plays less, or seems to tire quickly, don't assume it's solely due to age. Many illnesses begin precisely with a decrease in activity. What should you do if you observe these signs? None of these behaviors alone confirms that a dog is in pain. However, if several appear at the same time or persist for several days, it's best to consult a veterinarian for a complete evaluation. Never administer human medications without professional guidance. Some pain relievers that we humans use can be very dangerous and even fatal for dogs. Remember that no one knows your pet better than you. If you notice that they're not acting like their usual self, trust your instincts and seek help as soon as possible. Detecting pain in its early stages can improve their quality of life and, in many cases, prevent more serious complications. If you found this video helpful, please share it with other dog lovers and tell us in the comments if you've ever discovered your dog was hiding a health problem. Your experience can help other owners protect their best friends.